If you want to know what is keyword stuffing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. In today's lecture, we are going to explore a crucial topic: what is keyword stuffing? Keyword stuffing is a practice you should avoid in SEO content writing, and understanding it is crucial for creating quality content. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. Let's get started. Definition of keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing is the practice of overloading a web page with an excessive number of keywords or key phrases in an attempt to manipulate search engine rankings. Got it? Example 1. Excessive keyword use. Imagine you have a web page about best digital cameras and you repeatedly use the phrase best digital cameras in every sentence and paragraph. It's become unnatural and disrupts the flow of the content. I have included these images on the slides to provide a visual representation and enhance your comprehension of the topic through additional examples. Got it? Example 2. Irrelevant keyword insertion. In another example, let's say you have a blog about healthy smoothie recipes and you randomly insert keywords like luxury cars or home decor throughout the content. This has no relevance to the topic and is a form of keyword stuffing. Now we have types of keyword stuffing. There are two main types of keyword stuffing: visual keyword stuffing and concealed keyword stuffing. Search engines can pick up on both. Visible keyword stuffing. This involves excessively using keywords in the visible content of a web page. It's when keywords are unnaturally repeated throughout the text, disrupting its readability. Next, we have concealed keyword stuffing. This occurs when keywords are hidden from the user's view, often by making the text the same color as the background or using teeny font sizes. This is an attempt to manipulate search engines without providing value to users. Now let's discuss the drawbacks of keyword stuffing. First, we have poor user experience. Keyword stuffed content is challenging to read and often makes no sense to users. Penalties from search engines. Search engines like Google penalize websites that engage in keyword stuffing, leading to lower rankings or even de-indexing. Next, we have loss of credibility. Keyword stuffing diminishes your website's credibility and reputation. In last, we have decreased conversion rates. Visitors are less likely to engage with or convert on a page that has unnatural stuffed content. Got it? Now let's discuss guidelines to avoid keyword stuffing. First, we have use keywords naturally and focus on providing valuable relevant content. Maintain a reasonable keyword density, typically around 1 to 2%. 1 to 2% of the total content. Prioritize the user experience by ensuring content is informative and engaging. Review your content to check for an excessive or irrelevant keyword use. In conclusion, we can say that keyword stuffing is a detrimental practice in SEO content writing. Avoiding it is essential for maintaining a positive user experience and adhering to search engine guidelines. Got it? Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will learn more effective SEO content writing techniques. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in Lecture 22, where we explored what is keyword stuffing. If you are looking for professional digital services like SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Continue to refine your SEO content writing skills, and your journey to becoming a skilled content creator continues.